Hey everybody, Alfonso Torres here, and in this video I'm going to show you my back office of Webtalk so that you guys can see that I've made over $8,000 in my first 4 weeks of promoting the platform. It's something that I've gotten a lot of requests for proof of concept, and I am happy to deliver. So in your on the screen here we have my profile on Facebook, just to give you a sense. I think it's important for you to understand that I'm a full-time real estate agent. We're still selling houses every single month. So therefore, what I'm showing you on as far as results on Webtalk, it's purely on a part-time basis. To timestamp this conversation, it is April 16th on Thursday at 5:53 p.m. That's Eastern in the U.S. This is my Webtalk profile, and if you're not familiar with Webtalk, it is the social media platform that allows you to segregate your contacts so that you can communicate better. And there's an incentive. They incentivize you to engage on the platform. So this is the actual dashboard of my results as of right now. So I'm going to explain these boxes here. And the first thing that you're looking at is like, hey, you said $8,000 and it says $3,470. So I'll explain that. Don't worry. The ad pool commissions, if you look at this number, 2257, ad pool commissions is free money. See, nobody had to upgrade. Nobody had to do anything. This is just for us spending some time on the platform. Spending some time is posting, engaging, communicating with others, sharing posts, that type of stuff. So the company is sharing their ad revenue based on the points that you generate based on the activity. Now, this isn't just all my effort. Just for you to know, there's point matching. So this is as a result of other people within my 5 levels having all these types of engagements and connecting with others. But it's free money. It's free money, and no other platform that I know of is doing it. So it's nice to get a piece of that advertising revenue. Now, this number over here, the referral total, this is the number of people within my 5 levels of compensation. So the majority of these are free users. They have their social accounts and represent just a little bit of income. But the power in this is that there's been a lot of upgrades, and upgrades gives you networking tools for you to be able to connect with people on a more targeted basis. And that also right now opens up an affiliate seat that the upgrade does. So an affiliate seat allows you to get 5 levels of compensation where everybody else is just getting 1 level of compensation. So these are the number of people that have completed the 3 steps in order to become a affiliate. 375. It's a little bit over, it's approximately 14 or 15% of this number. Now the thing is, there's been more upgrades, so that's why I'm going to give you 8,000, because typically there's about 15 to 20% of people that have upgraded but haven't completed the 3 steps. And that's just based on like the days type of growth. So so there's over 400 people that have upgraded. And the math on that is that each of those upgrades represents $20 to me. So that is 400 times 20, that's over $8,000. Now, why does this number say $3,470 and not $8,000? Is because there's a 7-day trial period where the credit card doesn't get processed. So therefore, this is basically my growth and income over the first 3 weeks of working the platform. So from $3,500, let's say, it goes to over $8,000. And that gives you a sense as to what the type of growth you're seeing on a weekly basis. And based on that growth, it is easy for us to assume that this number, which will be 400 by the end of the day, based on people completing the 3 steps, for those 400 to duplicate over 1,000 people for these upgraded affiliate seats. Now, what you need to understand is that there is a limit to the number of affiliate seats. So people are super incentivized to take action on this because of it. So when you multiply 1,000 times 20, well, that's $20,000, and that could mean $12,000 just in next week alone. And that's actually a conservative number, because our growth has actually been a lot faster than that. So I actually expect it to be over 1,200 or even 1,500 by the end of next week. So that is to say that this is super duplicatable. And you're probably thinking, well, why? How can it possibly grow that fast? And it's because it's a super easy conversation. This is a social media platform. People are comfortable talking about it. We're not selling anything except the idea of capturing a seat that gives you 5 levels of compensation based on advertising revenue, subscription revenues, and all these other booking fees that they're having Anything that the company is generating, you're going to get your piece of that growth. It's 10% on each level, by the way. But this video is not really to go into the platform or the compensation. It's just to show you the back office and show you that it's been a great little experience, part-time effort, big results. $8,000 will become $20,000 to $24,000 by the end of next week. And if you guys are interested, here's what I would have you do. Get your free account. All right. I have this website right here, the moneyminds.com website. If you go there, sign up to get yourself a free account with Webtalk. It doesn't cost you anything. And then what I would have you do after that is to message me and let me know that you're in and that you're interested in the action plan for super fast results. So at this point, we're pretty organized as far as a strategy for you guys to introduce this to others and the whole conversation. So we'll teach you about the platform, teach you about the affiliate program, and then teach you the strategy in order for you to have these same results and even faster than I've done it, because now we have everything put together for you.